Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kid here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add backup settings to your Google Photos. So if you're wondering how to do that, make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open your Google Photos. After that, go to your account by tapping on your profile from the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on there, you will be able to see backup option just below your profile. Tap on backup and then again go to settings by tapping on the settings icon from the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on settings, you will be able to see your backup. Make sure that your toggle is turned on at backup in order to back up your photos. If it is turned off, simply tap on turn on. After you turn on that toggle, you will be able to see multiple options and scroll down at settings section. You will be able to see backup quality. Tap on backup quality and in here you will be able to see your backup quality such as original quality or storage saver quality. In storage saver, your quality will be slightly reduced in order to store more data. Once you're done with this, again hit back and then the next option you will find is that mobile data usage. You can also use your mobile data to back up your photos and then you can set up any kind of limit such as 5 MB, 10 MB and then you can back up your videos or I'll back up while roaming. If you want that, simply turn on the toggle, but for now I will not go with that. After that, again scroll back and in here you can also select any kind of folder that you want to back up to your Google Photos. You can simply select all the folder. After that, again hit back and in here you will be able to see your account and storage. You can just manage your storage. Right here you will get 15 GB of storage and according to that you can manage your storage. This is all about backup settings and in this way you can simply add backup settings to your Google Photos. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.